Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for air sign Gemini for the month of July. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Gemini, your recent past. This is monthly reading. So let's see your recent past. Queen of Wands, Three of Pentacles, Five of Wands. Think you both working in same area. There is a lot of passion between both of you. For some there is fighting between both of you. Five of Wands is here and Three of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take. When you both work on this relationship is going to next level, but there is no, because there is fighting between both of you, but passion is there. You or your person could be Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Temperance, Death, Judgment. Wow. Major arcanas. Temperance, your person could be Sagittarius, Death, Scorpio, or Judgment. I think your person undergoes some transformation. One person in this connection undergoes transformation. Patience and balance is needed in this connection right now. Judgment, definitely justice is going to be happen. So reconciliation, those who want reconciliation, it will happen, but it will take time, because temperance, patience is needed. Because your person undergoes some transformation, or you could be undergo some transformation, because there is some fighting in past. So definitely you both, I think you both could be for some want reconciliation. Definitely it will take time. It will happen, but it will take time. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Gemini. Exhaustion, Nine of Wands. Sharing, Queen of Pentacles. Sharing, Queen of Wands. Not Pentacles. Creativity, Empress. Clarification cards for exhaustion, maturity, and for sharing, guilt, Eight of Swords, Stucking. For success, creativity. Yes, I think so. Exhaustion, your person may be feeling very exhausted due to some work, or like the in relationship problems, whatever, they feeling very exhausted or guarded. But after that Ace of Pentacles, they want to offer long-term commitment. It will come to you, but it will take time. So sharing, Queen of Wands, lot of passion. I think one person in this connection stand by their power, Queen of Wands, very very positive energy. But in one time they feeling stuck, Eight of Swords, not taking decision. One person in this connection, but at last creativity, the Empress, and the success. Definitely this connection is going to be reconciled, and this connection is going to be next level, because the success is here and the Emperor. One person stand by their power, because two ladies here. I think for some this could be third party relationship, or for some their mother or someone is involved, because two ladies are here. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Definitely those who postponement, yes, it will come, but slow. Postponement means Four of Swords, thinking rather than taking action. Stress, yes, one person feeling very stressed, Seven of Wands. The dream, they are dreaming about you a lot, Six of Cups, strong soulmate and past life connection. The last card, understanding. Ooh. Page of Cups. Yes, they want to apologize you, they want to message you, they want to talk to you, but you have to understand the situation. Definitely they will come towards you. It will take time, because they are in deep thinking right now, meditation state. They are dreaming about you, because they're feeling a strong soulmate and past life connection with you. Definitely they are coming, they want success with you, but it will take time because transformation is going, temperance is here, patience and balance is needed. So they will come, but it will take time. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.